everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. You are totally awesome. Today, you and I will be creating some awesome miniature grocery items using newspapers. So be sure to like this video and subscribe. And speaking of video, let's jump right into it. To start off, you're going to grab a newspaper or a catalog and search for an image that has little to no obstructions in front of it. Next, cut out your chosen image. I got two similar looking images, one for the front and one for the back. And now we will use clear tape to stick them together. Now place a strip of clear tape over your first image. Then place the second one next to it. That way you could fold it in half and align the two backside to backside. And now, using a separate piece of tape, seal off the bottom and the sides of the two images. Now take some toilet paper and shred it into smaller pieces. We will stuff the pocket with these pieces in order to create a little bit of dimension. And now, all we have to do is to seal off the top with tape, and then scrunch it up a little bit to give it that three-dimensional look. And that's all I have for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate you being here. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on notifications so that you don't miss the next time I upload. And if you have any other interesting crafts that you would like to see, don't be afraid to drop them down below in the comments. I would love to hear from you. And until we meet again, I hope you have a very wonderful day. Goodbye.